The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pot.
Them tell them friend them say good life run the show. We stay high, Seaview, yet never yet go low. That girl come over. I'm Missa Bling, I represent for Good Life.
Bling.
Good Life Jamaica. Good youth.
In Seaview.
Seaview.
Good life. There in a Seaview. Oh, say. There again. Last time them see you sending greetings.
Yeah man, big up, you know. Happy New Year, you know. One and all is in, love and peace is in.
For the New Year.
Yes, I am.
What you say?
So I got much of the work again.
Same here. So you're on it in the morning, yeah?
Yes, I am.
You not reach my address yet?
Cheers, one, you know. So bit me knock off today, is it?
Alright then, so.
We come to the rest, is it?
See you there?
5 days a week.
5 days of the week. 5 days of the week. Alright. Big up yourself. Yeah, you must check it up on YouTube, you know. Jamaica Good Life.
Alright.
Yeah? There in the Good Life. We're there in Seaview. Introduce yourself to the world, man.
Yeah man. Missa Bling this man. So me I say, yeah. You don't know. Big up Good Life program. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Good Life Jamaica. Right now them for know this, you know. Seaview Garden this. And it's a place of star, a place of celebrity.
Sure.
Yes, so I say you have national come from the community, Foley, the big baller play for Jamaica in 1998. Yes, so I say?
Sure.
You have Dexter Daps, you have Killer, you have a whole heap of star, Shabba, Ellie.
Yeah.
Yes, so I say?
Yeah.
But Seaview is not about artists, good life alone. You have good people. It's a good community. Yes, so I say?
Now that's how we are trying to highlight.
The community, nobody now, are the people them in the community, make the community bad. Yes, what I say?
Yeah,
I have good people and you have bad people. Because I say, the community have good life, have good people, have bad people. And the negative of life and the positive of life build life. So anywhere you go, you find good and you find bad.
Sure.
Yes, what I say?
Sure.
Seaview Garden is a community that produces a lot of good people. It produces doctor, it produces police, it produces soldier, it produces pilot. So me I say baller, entertainer. You get me?
Yeah.
So it's a good scheme.
Sure.
Yeah.
Are you born and grown in a scheme?
No, I'm not born and grow a Seaview. I'm born and grow a Rockford, a next garrison community. But okay. I Seaview from 1998. Okay. Father of 13 kids in a Seaview.
What? 13 kids?
In a Seaview alone.
What?
Yes, what me I say?
Are you father to the whole of them?
Father to the whole of them. Yes, what me I say? So watch this now. Me have youth with a police out of scheme. Me have youth with a pilot out of scheme.
Yeah.
My daughter a teacher out of scheme. So I can tell you that the scheme produce good things. You see me I say? I do some youth at times make something get to them brain frustration and hunger at times and all type of thing reach a youth them and them just go say, hey, my brain I Europe and go on the back of things.
Yeah, true.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
But we just want to tell you Good Life Jamaica man.
See there. And
Enough
right
good
way.
things are going.
Yeah, so
And better things in the making.
See there.
You see me I say? Cause more star go rise from Seaview.
You look
More
like
ball
a
go
star.
rise.
You look like a star to yourself, you know. What you do with yourself?
You know what I said? To be honest with you, we do a thing like this. For the new year, I'ma draw the new gear, yeah. Me fire heavy, manly and higher share. For the new year, I'ma draw the new gear, yeah. Every US and pound ball I draw nearer. Then me have to care, yeah. And me have to share, yeah. Me have to be the youth, them burden bearer. Rockford, Seaview, youth on the area. See the money back, they draw that nearer. Money have to make and Jeep prima for a spin. Money when me have, we can spend off everything. Good life, come link up, Missa Bling. Tell them set this and not ching. Check me watch and check me chain. Good life and check me ring. Oh, what a thing.
Good life.
See there.
Yeah.
Artist.
So yes, you say we have a good life.
Yeah, you have a good life.
Yeah.
You have a good voice.
And a good vice.
So them can find you. Which website them can find you?
Alright, here we know. You can check out my Instagram page, you know. You see me I say Missa Bling 1,
Missa
not
Bling.
2.
True.
You see me I say
YouTube.
YouTube, Missa Bling.
True.
You see me I say Facebook, that's your Smith. You see me I say no limit.
No limit.
Yeah.
So we are
that's
looking out
the
for
thing there.
great things from you then, you know.
You see before we move good life.
Alright.
Make girl come over and good life call over Rose. Daddy, make next girl tell next girl. So them better excuse because she come fist our show. One day than tip on my toes. Good life, me love girl harder. And then me love them so slow. Whoa. Love them so good, them make them friend them now. Them tell them friend them say good life run the show. We stay I see you yet never yet go low. Make girl come over. I Missa Bling I represent for good life.
Bling.
Good life Jamaica. Good youth.
Seaview.
Save you, yeah.
Seaview.
Yeah, man.
Oh, this we have on the block. Introduce yourself.
Baller man from Soviet man.
See there? Baller himself. True.
Yeah man, a whole heap of great things and good youth as Missa Bling did as a man in our community man. I want to hear man, superstar, youth like OG where bring the thing out, uplift the thing, bring the windows to the world and them thing there. Phase 1 man, I want to hear.
Phase 1.
Never phase, not one alone, yeah. It's a
Man.
manly pathway. Yeah man, next to the primary school man, check out the primary school.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of star in them.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
You have the clip, see there? And yeah, so now a gear business.
Yeah, man.
OG man. Aluminum windows and PVC man.
Yeah.
Them youth there come from nothing to something.
See
People
there?
don't even know so they could have done that to something. Watch that. I get how youth do this, you know. You think kind of youth uptown do this?
See there?
Talent.
Talent you call this.
Talent.
Good talent too.
Talent.
I know so this go up and good life for people, look at good life for
Yeah.
Them man they say they
Watch
want
out
make
now.
one
Save
come
ya.
in and make
See
money.
there?
Come out.
Same there, just give him a face clip. And take
See
it.
there?
Yeah, man.
Aim down.
In this himself.
Yeah, man.
Good
Good
life
life.
TV, good life Jamaica.
Skilless thing, boy,
Everything good, you know.
Yeah.
Take part in that.
So yeah, the man will make all them
Man, I
things.
mean him OG, man. I mean responsive all of the windows and the door. Mesh frame, shower enclosure.
In a
All the
Seaview.
thing. In a Seaview, out of Seaview, all of Jamaica.
See there?
Anyway, them man pull up.
Yeah.
Your windows and door, anything you want, man. Ready.
Ready.
Yeah, man. OG windows and door, man. Instagram.
See there?
Instagram is fine, man. OG windows and door.
So you know you have to go show them the work we have done already so far.
Yeah.
Is
I
it
must
me?
check out the Instagram and see all of the work that we put in everything, man. I said OG windows and door.
You know, all them windows up on the house right now.
Which one?
People work them, see them the window there, yeah.
OG. See there's a OG production.
Right to say everything.
Right, that's right there.
Right to say it starts and right to say it's finished.
That's the company there, you know?
Everything.
OG, so this is the spot.
Yeah, the company is right there, so.
Machine, so see him here.
So you know, right outside the company, so we tell the people them for just come for it.
In Seaview.
Big Seaview, a whole heap.
I know when I feel like when I come and see you with no bag of money to not come with fear, you know. like people are gonna sticking up and robbing, you know, them think they're going to save you.
Never.
You hear that?
Yeah,
Somebody
true.
gonna save you right now, watch ya. Rolex.
See them.
Watch ya.
Bling.
Bling.
Millions we have right on a brawling there.
In a
If you go check
Seaview.
next adaptation on one part round this one now,
Yeah.
and the same braffing.
See them.
So when you come at OG place with the windows and doors, ceilings and floors,
Alright.
when you can come with a bag of money, there's no stick up, no box and kick up. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Just check it. Yeah man.
Oh, gee.
See when the window and the door them slide in, just come take it.
Bathroom door all time.
Anything you want, man, you get man for your money. Anything at all.
See there. Cause this are the side where Dex adapts from.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, next door man.
Elephant,
Next
man.
door, elephant man.
Elephant, man.
Kino
Shabba
same
Ranks,
way
man.
next door, Shabba next door.
Shabba Ranks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just walk across the part where they sir. And we're gonna link that up.
Right
Yeah, see, right now. So you make a walk right now.
Yeah. That's all the things setting like how tied up and things setting up. You see me I say?
Yo, Missa Bling. Yo, the people them are gonna love you for that program, yeah, you know, when I lie, you know. Yeah, man. They're gonna love you for that program, yeah.
Yo.
Full of style.
Every move I make, it's like a movie make. You see it? Yeah.
True. Only for style there.
So, as I say, a good life.
Jamaica, good life.
Jamaica, good life.
And a peace and love will say.
Yeah, that's why we're going over the world. I pay by my drop now on one part, how much people are there, and look over there, bruv. A good life Jamaica is.
See there.
So we say good life Jamaica and good life TV.
Come to
Come on,
Uncle
you
Shop.
can come to
Yeah,
Uncle.
man.
Good life, Uncle. Speak up
Good
yourself,
life,
man.
Elder.
Elder, blessings.
Yeah.
Yeah, good life. We say we in a Seaview where I
There
like
are some
the
good
positive.
crocodile on there swam to, you know.
Yeah.
We can just go around there, walk and touch them and them not eat with.
Come, I want to give them some
Yes,
preview and Seaview and show them the
Yeah.
niceness.
So we
right
can say
now.
everything that see you good.
Right now.
Good. You see?
To show you say the alligator
Right
them
now,
good.
right now, if you tell you the truth, Good Life TV, I'm gonna make people believe and see the thing the real way.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica,
That people
good
that
life.
hear about Seaview, hear about the artists, them come from Seaview and see what type of positive things come from Seaview. How much positive youth, as we Bling tell you, whole heap of doctor, lawyer, whole heap of soldier. Most of the youth them right now, when you check it out, Tutu's right just got on army.
Green
One
suit.
of the youth
Be a green suit, you
I
them
turn
now.
soldier, so you know say be positive.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
See me I say?
You get me? I
True.
You
say?
find yourself not positive in there, be that the youth them are dead. I would not know what youth are dead that save you.
Alright, see ya.
Yeah,
If
man.
you check some other community right now, every other day a body drop.
Yeah.
You see me
So
I say?
I say to no Good Life TV.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
man.
make the people them see the thing and
I would just want to tell the whole Jamaica to every
See
garrison,
you.
every community to if you have a good life to, you know.
Yeah.
And just
And
our
then just
Seaview
Seaview
alone.
alone.
We are
Yeah.
talking about Waterhouse, we are talking about Chisholm, we are talking about Maxwell,
Yeah.
we are talking about Riverton, we are talking about Calalobed,
You talk
we
about
are talking about
Rima.
Jungle, Rima,
Yeah, man.
Garden, Rockford, Mountain View.
Yeah, man.
Last night I got to my place down at Winard Road, as I say Rockford, my barn and go, we're not afraid for car to talk.
Yeah.
We never hide the community.
Yeah.
And I go in my place last night, and by the time I go sir, and touch Excelsior,
Yeah.
a 3 barricade of soldier me have to come through.
Yeah.
On the big main road, the main them black, me I say, what this not good for the community.
High security.
High security, that not good. So me I tell the youth, them just live good in the community, brother.
Yeah.
So me I say,
Peace.
that's where I come from too.
A more good life.
We've been there and done that, and we could have still there.
True.
Look for me 50-year-old, you think my heart 50 years, that's so. Enough thing we got through. And just preserve we.
True.
So here me I tell the youth, them just live good and preserve the life. You hear that?
Good life.
Good
Yeah,
life.
good life.
Jamaica, good life.
You
Yeah,
see me I
sir.
say?
It will promote.
I said first generation and second generation, we have kids and grandkids. And right now, I go for greater grand. Great grand. You hear that? So, if you not live a good life, you can't live for say.
Them thing there. No.
You see me I say? You know it feel for me, I'm a little grand them, so I know saying could have dead from I was 17, 14. And God preserved me as a purpose. Today I even tell some youth to live good. So we've been there and done that like the whole land now.
Yeah, true.
And things and time change. When I say Jamaica turn police state now and soldier state.
Yeah.
And your queen police kill you.
Yeah.
And your queen soldier kill you. So you live good. All Jamaica, Missa Bling say live good.
Live good.
Oh.
Oh, Jamaica, good life.
Yeah, man. Real, man. Jamaica Good Life, man. Just here I call you. One team, man.
Like.
Seaview.
Yeah, man.
Phase 1.
So what do you think about the good life?
Good Life TV, I like it, you know.
Jamaica Good Life.
Me's a man who pre certain TV. I don't watch TV that much. So if you invest my time in other things, you know, build my state of mind, build my vocabulary. Because I'm a reader, you know what I mean? But Good Life TV, I like watch live TV, I like watch things that are real, so you can connect to. You know what I mean? Physically and mentally. Like that's something that people like authenticity.
Yeah, true.
Like it's authentic. You see me? I
Yeah,
said that.
true.
So watch watch Good Life TV. You know, really, in my part of the scheme too tough like that, but watch and see how the other part of the scheme, how you might do it, how the dog do it for them, and I go and go them like that something. So I say go and uplift the community, go and do the right thing.
See you, man.
Yeah, dog.
And we not stop.
No, we can't stop. Like Good Life TV, brother.
Yeah, Jamaica
See,
Good
it's
Life.
all a washing lady, right? If we don't want to wash, we can't go to washing lady. Enough people are exposed, bro. So I say there's a plus to everybody, dog.
True. I really like that thought they still, you know?
Yes, man.
Positive.
Exposure, man. I say, we have to do something when we do dog in the kitchen and cook. I see singer. Enough of them people I never know.
See,
So I like that. I expose a lot of people. Say, OG get peace like that.
Yeah.
But also, when they go over your yard, I edit this and do the right match, I be people will call you, who is OG?
See you, man. See you,
And
man.
then we get to so we love that, bro.
Yeah.
Yes,
And with the inner Seaview.
yeah, dog. And I agree, boss, at that, man. I
See
know what
them,
I'm
man.
on.
Which is right.
Yes.
So we're there in Seaview.
Come in, watching on the way we are going. I link Kazoo.
I think Kazu.
Walk around.
Seaview.
Jamaica Good Life.
See there. All the way. Only the good life.
I think I really touch that topic there, you know. Alkaline sing a song the other day. Good life, good life. Tell me about the good life. Jamaica Good Life.
So Jamaica Good Life in my ear, man. You might watch it, man. You been watching it. I remember, you know, it's a team of global, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of overseas people watching. Take up yourself, Alkaline, see you. Promote the good life.
Sorry, if your man don't want to live a good life, you know. Straight good life, I said. That's why I say big up Jamaica Good Life.
All the time.
Alkaline.
Alkaline.
Yeah, man, good life, man. Is it?
They in Soviet.
And the Soviet to them now, you know. Yeah. Watch you catch the artist.
Yeah.
Not some artist, a good life stuff.
Good life. One more talent. Welcome. Blessings, my general. Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
We highlight the positive and the lifestyle and the culture.
Straight.
You know, you think you say, you can introduce yourself to the world.
Yeah, man, a radical X and rolling, man, you see it.
Yeah.
Young, talented artist out of the garrison, Seaview Garden.
Seaview.
And a whole heap of things we have a go on with, you see? So who know here, go so check it out. Radical X, RADIKAL. X Vivo over YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, radical_X_unruly. You see it? And a whole heap of things there, man. We have a new track we are promote right now named The Body there. Hardcore. Anyway, a positive vibration, so I'm going to kick that one here now. You see it?
See that?
Do vicious things in the past, me never bro, I guess. So it said 20 things tough in a them road, you know. Follow ego, hold my composure, and though the Gideon rough man stand firm like a soldier. Me destined for greatness, you see that's the prophecy. I fi make it in a life, and me philosophy. Living my life to the fullest, them not happy fi. So them try to set me up, send police and the ratty fi. Raid my base, make my grave star. Still them never find no gun, just look who weed, I'm a 3-star. Nah, give up man, still a pre-far. Mama tell me say the after the buckle, the victory sweeter. Man I preach love, while them a preach war, them a pre-fit. Lay down body pan the tar, while man a pre-car. Still a reminisce the struggle real. R.I.P. unruly, shaggy wa me G, yeah. Them criticize the family, name a chat up their things. But me there upon the ground, I hold the faith king. I know every smile a smile and play a 18. Careful of who claim them real, hey, good life. You don't know the thing going on.
Jamaica Good Life.
One more because you don't know the energy.
You
we never
too.
plan for this, we never
See
prepare.
there?
You see, a radical X.
Radical X.
Beg the Father protect my life, cause pagans want stop my breath. A farmer I come from the journey along, me stand firm, me still a hold my mates. Watch you know, no trust people, a family me deal with straight cause me don't like friends. No sir. Me know for sure if we get the tour, we won't sell out for go drive Benz. Hey, good life, career shut off, so me rising to the top. Bad mind them, would don't want to see me drop. But tell them we no fear them. When them talk, we no hear them. Pagans can't touch pon the block. Me see say them no like me. Every day them try to fight me, grudge me for the crispy and Nike. No trust them, but we trust the Almighty. You see it? Good life.
Jamaica. Big up yourself.
Radical X.
Radical
You
X.
see?
Bless
Fully
you.
auto.
Yeah.
Good Life Jamaica, they are the place. I'll give them a preview, I'll go and see you.
See them.
Be a bad thing, me, them a talk, but can't go bad thing, I'll go on.
Don't go say she don't walk down.
So we are highlight.
Chubby them and come back so.
Chubby them the right, they start play checkers and that.
Seaview nice, you know, so the place pretty. No?
Yeah, man, the whole place clean, so all them window there, me do them window there.
You go to the window there?
Window there, see you, man.
See you, you go to the window there. The man have trees, yeah. You know, Seaview, so you don't say you don't want to win that build anything and you can contact.
Yeah, Jamaica Good Life, you know the thing, but
Yeah. Natural.
yeah, power me carry on for my side, I'm going to show you how I go up on the window there.
Yeah.
Just part everything start, everything created, everything designed.
OG windows and
Everything
door.
manufactured, you know.
And all car windows and door. You know.
OG.
Windows and door.
I'm understand.
Yeah, OG windows and door. Uncle,
Yes.
blessings. So you say I cook up something in the kitchen? So we're there back on the OG headquarters. And this is where my craft is.
That's about you, the whole craft, huh? Slide in. OG secret, OG aluminum PVC and windows, sliding door, shower enclosures, insert mesh frame. Thing you know, so we deal with it right. So same place in Seaview Garden, Kingston 11. We have Soviet right now, part of chain line, not too far from the primary school. You see me?
Yeah.
That's why we design all of them things.
So you design the windows then and
Yeah man, mesh, slide door, swing door.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.